I'm gonna start sanding now, and then I'll see you guys in a bit. Obviously be careful that the pad doesn't slip out. I'm just using a styrofoam actually inside of sandpaper. Another little DIY trick. Okay, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna wipe it down. After I wipe my stuff, get the base of all the powder off and then continue sanding. Wet pretty hard right here on the edges. I want to make sure I'm careful there. I want to keep those nice and smooth for when I redo it.